All right. So when it comes to these types of claims, testing is going to become very important. As an adjuster, you really have your hands tied. You can't pull out a multimeter or an ohm meter, as they say, and start testing wires or circuit breakers. For example, to test this electrical panel, you have to open it up. This is a different one, obviously, but look at this main panel and sub panel opened up. I got one term for that. OMG. Oh my gosh. Safety is of utmost concern. Stay away from open panels, exposed wires, downed wires, and things like that, folks. And another thing is, if you can't see inside there and you're looking at it like this, the fact of the matter is damages are not, or probably not visible, right? So you're gonna wanna get some help. Even this makes me nervous. I'm looking at this electrician sticking those ohm meter probes into an open panel, and this is a 240 volt breaker he's touching. Yikes, don't do that wrong, right? Don't touch the wrong thing. Bottom line, get some help when diagnosing reported damages to electrical systems and panels.